In this video, I will demonstrate the bill of materials in Wiring Planner. All you need to do to create a bill of materials is to select the project. I have here the sample project selected, and then click Tools, Show Bill of Materials. In the Bill of Materials Settings dialog, you can check or uncheck properties that you want to show in the Bill of Materials. So for example, if I don't need the description, I can uncheck it, or if I don't need the manufacturer, I can uncheck it, or I can leave them all there. I can also show the type. Once I get all the properties that I want, I can move columns around, reorder them just by dragging and dropping. I can also sort by a property by simply clicking the header. Once you have the information and the order that you want, simply click Export. Select a file name for your export, and you're done. In Excel, I just have to navigate to that location and then change this to CSV. I can then open it and manipulate it in Excel.